Hello everyone, I am Shruti Pawar. I have done my third task given by the Spark Foundation, that is perform exploratory data analysis on dataset named as sample superstore. For this, first of all, I have imported all the required libraries. Then I load my dataset. Here I have displayed the first 5 rows from the dataset using head function. Then I describe my dataset. From this we can say that there are 4 unique values from the shift mode, 3 from segment, and there is only one country, and so on. Using D types, I have also displayed the data types of my columns. After that, I have displayed the column names. Here I have used the function is null and sum. It gives me the sum of null values from the columns. So it gives me the output of 0. From this we can conclude that there are no null values are present. After that I have also displayed the number of duplicated rows using duplicated and sum function. So it gives me the output that is 17. So there are 17 number of rows which are duplicated. So using drop duplicates function I drop those rows. After that, I have plotted the heat map which shows the correlation between the columns, that is profit, discount, quantity, sales. From this, sales, sales and profit are moderately correlated. Quantity and profit are also moderately correlated, but discount and profit are negatively correlated because the value of their correlation is minus 0.22. After that, here I have plotted the graph which is based on the region and category. In this, there are 3 categories, that is furniture, office supplies and technology. And the west region has highest number of sales, then east, then central and then south. And all this region, the office supplier category has highest number of sales compared to the furniture and technology category. Here I have done the analysis based on the shipping mode. So there are 4 types of shipping mode, that is second class, standard class, first class and same day. So standard class has highest number of count. Here I have done the analysis of profit and sale based on the shift mode. So standard class has highest number of sales as well as highest number of profit compared to the others. Here I have plotted the pie chart for the subcategories. From this we can say that the store has high variety of office supplies, that is binders and papers. Here I have done the analysis for total profit and sales based on the subcategories. Here we can see that copiers has highest number of profit compared to the others, and chairs and phones has highest number of sales. We can also see that tables and bookcases, these 2 departments are in loss. From this we can see that people don't prefer to buy tables and bookcases from the superstore. After that, I have also checked the state-wise number of sales. So, California and New York has highest number of sales. So, the people resides in California and New York tends to order maximum from the superstore. Here I have displayed the top state which has highest number of sales. So, California, New York, these two are top. These two are have highest number of sales. After that, I have calculated the cost and profit in percentage. So for calculating cost, I have subtracted profit from sales. After that, I have also calculated profit percentage. Here I have displayed the subcategories with high profit percentage. So from this, subcategory phones and papers has highest number of profit, which is of 100%. From all of this, we can conclude that highest number of buyers are from California and New York. Maximum sales are from binders, papers, furniture manufacture phones, and minimum sales are from copiers, machine, and suppliers. Profit and sales are maximum in West region and minimum in South region. Phones and paper subcategory has highest, that is 100% profit in their business. In this way, I have completed my third task. Thank you.